Don't worry about how hard it is, how bad it is. Just take things as they come. Make a decision. Live with that decision. Ride it out, you know. I may not know where I'm going, but I know where I came from. So if I need to, I can turn back around and go back where I came from. Find an alternate path. Yes, you see that all the time. People who are not wearing masks, they kind of stick the mask to their face whenever they see you coming. But you kind of like, okay, that's kind of silly. It's not silly to wear a mask, don't get me wrong. You should wear a mask. But I'm passing you on a bike. It's kind of hard to get into there from me. I'm more chance to get you as you're stagnant. So. The way this thing works, you have to be in close contact for an extended period of time or actually get coughed on or interact with the individual. Well, as you see, I'm in a constant rate of motion, so I'm not stopping to interact or talk to anybody, you know. And even if it wasn't a pandemic, a virus, corona, I probably would still be riding. Not really stopping to talk to individuals, just riding. Because when I get on my bike, the only reason I'm talking right now is because I'm recording. Usually I just ride. It's like the perfect time to rest your voice, open your mind, think about the things that you normally don't think about, and just enjoy being outside. That's why I ride. For the love of it, you know? For the joy of being free. Freedom. And I do have a mask in my pocket, just so you know, just in case I have to stop. It's angled away from the lake because it's behind me now. Ish. It's still on my right. Morning. So hey folks, how does it feel to ride with me? Remember when we saw all those people on the boat? That's where they are. Were from the opposite side. I think I'm like 2 miles around the lake. I'm probably gonna do this again without the camera. I can turn left or right. Otherwise I'll probably hit a tree. Not like it'd be the first time, because I've done it before. I'm good. I just did. I know, that's what happened. I saw y'all, so I was like, oh, better go slower. No problem. Thank y'all. Have a good one. So, what just happened? I was coming around the corner up the hill, going kind of fast, because I saw the hill coming up. And then around the corner, there was 2 people coming down. So I had to slow down. So when I stood up to ride, my hand slipped off the handlebar. Last week, I was doing another ride, and I stood up to ride, and my hand again slipped off the handlebar, and I fell. This time I was kind of prepared for it, so I just let the bike fall, because I was not about to go down with it. First one of me guys now. Kind of funny. I'm not wearing a mask at all because I'm riding, and a lot of people who are wearing a mask, when they get close to me, they pull it up. There's other people out here running, riding, not wearing masks. So most of them that are doing it actually got the mask pulled down. It's kind of funny when they get on it. funny when they get close to you and they pull it up and then pull it right back down 2 seconds after they think they are past you, but you're still observing it. So hey, let's admit it.